What's up, y'all? How you doing? So to start off today, I'm gonna go make another purchase that I shouldn't be making right now, but I really want to, and that is the transmission for the FD. So we got the K series for it like 2 days ago. That was sick. That is awesome. I'm excited. And I happened to find the tranny I want to use for the car at a local junkyard for a half decent price. So I really just want to go grab it before it gets taken. I definitely should be saving this money for the S13, but whatever. So let's go get it. There you go. So much. All right, the trans is acquired. As you guys can probably see it back there. This thing is absolutely filthy, so let's get back to the shop, clean it up, and talk about it. Damn, this thing's nasty. All right, you guys can see it. I don't know if you can tell what kind of trans it is, but definitely putting a twist to this swap. So this is actually a 6-speed transmission out of a 2006 330i. So our Mazda RX7 is gonna have a Honda K series engine with a BMW 6-speed transmission. But before I get this thing in the shop, I gotta clean it because it's disgusting. And we're gonna go steal Derek's truck and go get it power washed. Hell yeah. Kenny has a really bitchin' diesel, like it's a power washer that's heated, so it's like a steam cleaner, and it cuts grease way better, so. This thing, you know, isn't that bad. It's, yeah, get it right. All right, so we thoroughly degreased it. It's very degreased. It's pretty clean, but it's pretty ugly looking. So Kenny and I just ran out and got some aluminum brightener. They sell it at Napa, and I heard it's good shit. So we're gonna see if it brightens this up, because although there's no more grease on it, it is still stank looking. It's a good spray bottle.
I know, that spray bottle is working really well.
Hi, Jimmy!
Yeah. Good luck.
I'm on my infinitely long lunch break.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, jeez! Whoa! Don't be afraid of it! Come on, quit playing around.
All right, guys, so we just spent forever trying to get my trans clean, but it's clean. It's clean, we're good to go. BMW ZF 6-speed, officially acquired. So as you guys know, we put together a KA Turbo S14 with Kenny like months ago.
Literally forever ago.
And then I got buried in the back and not touched because there was a lot of cars everywhere. And now it's back out. There was a lot of issues with it where we actually had a bad set of injectors, which was pretty insane.
Yeah, and they were like the bigger injectors too, so
it was a mess. Got new injectors for it, change of fluids. Now it's back in the dyno, and I didn't think we both didn't anticipate playing with it today. But we got some free time, so let's see what it does. See if it's healthy enough to make some pulls.
So it made 220 last time.
Did it really?
But
that much?
It made exactly the same as it did when we blew it up.
Yes.
But you let off at like 5,000 RPMs.
Because we ran out of
injectors.
We ran out of injectors. That's what it was.
So if it carries it out, it should make like 235 at the same boost.
Okay.
And we're trying to make like 300.
And then we could do some skids.
And then we'll do some skids.
That's what I wanted to hear. Last time we dynoed it, it was like half tuned, and then we changed a bunch of stuff, and now we got to basically retune it. So first thing we have to start off with, we make sure all the sensors are good, everything's calibrated with the ECU, base timing is set, all the typical nonsense. Now we have to basically go through and make a fuel table for it, or a VE table in this situation, and then we could start messing with some timing. You made 217?
Yeah.
Not bad. That was a dirty pull.
Yeah, it was. Wow, it smells like a drag strip right here.
A lot of smoke. All right, whatever. Let's clean it up. 223. It made that made 6 more horse.
It was still fucking fat up top.
Yeah, it was. Still a little fat up top. We could clean that up.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that. It has. There's like something wrong with the tip-in. And I at first I thought it was a V tip when I started playing with it a lot, and it's whenever you fucking tip off the throttle, it's fattening the shit out of it for a while. So it has like a really heavy like post enrichment.
Yeah.
So. Ratchet S14 lives on and gives us more of a pain in the ass headache. So the way it's responding to changes in the fuel table is definitely not super normal. It's kind of a pain in the ass. I think in the fuel pressure regulators might be funky or something crazy, but it's enough that it's like safe. But made 225 at 5 pounds, cleaned up, and it's pretty damn good when the engine makes like probably 145, 160, no, probably 165, 175 without boost. So I'm impressed. So digging through the remnants of Kenny's things, we can't find a boost controller, so we can't turn the boost up, which is like really upsetting because we were hoping to make 300 on this thing today. We're like 6 PSI away from making 300 horsepower, I think. Whatever, we'll leave some anticipation, but now it's running half decent. So
yeah, we're gonna go test that theory.
Yeah, so we're gonna go see if it, the streetability of this car real quick. But I mean, it looks good right now. It idles great, it starts up fine, and it seems like it's safe to drive. So unfortunately, it's just missing a couple PSI to make some extra horsies. So
maybe it'll spike and it'll be like 300 for like a second.
I'm cool with that. So there's this weird dead zone that I can't tune out, and you see the car randomly bucks, and I can't figure out what it is. So we're gonna log it and make sure it's not on the tune. And if it's on the tune, we're gonna assume that it's something might be funky with the stock fuel pressure regulator. That's really our best guess. So, but besides that, I mean, it sounds good. It sounds good.
Yeah,
dude, this is so much fun. If only we had a handbrake.
I know. That's gonna be next, I think.
Is the battery even bolted down?
No.
Cool. Oh, that's a speed bump.
Pulse width looked good the whole time.
That's amazing. We were like so low in the RPMs too. Fuck, speed bump.
Yeah, like right.
I know we have a huge boost leak. How did we not check this?
Because we boost leak tested it when we put it back together and it was good.
And then we took it apart.
And we
probably.
took it all apart
Yeah.
3 times.
Okay.
That part doesn't.
It's been a pretty enjoyable drive right now, right?
Yeah, I drive cross country in this.
Yeah, we could smoke these boys right here. Look at these racers right here. Show them the racers.
Let's pull up on them.
Yeah.
We'll offer them fucking $3 grand to race.
Yeah.
And then we gotta skip down.
We'll show these boys what a real race car looks like. No, they don't want the smoke. That's the problem.
Really? You think they're that afraid of us?
Yo, we came here to challenge you to a race. Pick any car you want.
Any one of these cars.
Yeah.
In the current condition.
Yeah.
Would fuck anything you guys have ever seen.
Waiting for you outside. Pick your car.
Please. You're crazy. I'm gonna be tuning an NA Miata in a little bit. That would still fuck your day up.
Yeah? You wanna put money on that?
No, come on. Oh, he's scared. Come on.
Yeah, I don't put money on it?
Probably, actually.
$100?
This guy seems confident.
$100 out in front of the shop?
I've never met them.
Well, you should suggest it to them. So
I
we got
thought-
a money run lined up for them all.
I thought you guys were the Miata revving the engine in front of the door, and I was gonna tell them that I wasn't gonna tune their car.
We're just assholes.
All right, here we go. Look at it. It blew right off.
And she's moist. Feel that right there.
Oh yeah, look at that oil. I'm very confident that it blew off like on our first like entry. Let's go try again. All right, they didn't want any. They were too scared. They're hiding. So we're gonna go see what the car does now.
Oh shit! Should I put a seatbelt on?
That's way better. Woo! Way faster. We didn't have the. We blew that coupler off before we even left our parking lot. Dude, this thing rages.
Oh yeah.
Not bad for 6 PSI, dude. Should we do one more lap? come back when the truck's not here, and we'll full entry right
Yeah,
here.
like 60 miles an hour.
I'm down.
Okay. Let's get a handbrake on it and a little more boost.
How does it sound out of the car?
Fucking good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I accidentally came here to clean my trannies today, and then we ended up spontaneously, goddamn, tuning the S14. Goddamn. Then we ended up spontaneously tuning the S14, and that was really fun. We got to rage on it a little bit. Gotta turn the boost up. It needs like 12 PSI. We'll make a solid 300 horsepower, and then it'll really rip, but man, is it fun to do skids. But let's get back to the shop. B-Hall should be getting off of work soon and just see what's up. I know you're jealous.
Yeah, dude, give me this shit. I'm fucking taking this home.
Hell yeah.
This is not made for a Honda anyway.
We randomly got a bunch of sub mail. We got 4 packages.
Whoa!
I think it's sub mail, so we're gonna bang these out real quick, and just see what happens. This one is addressed to Brian Hall or Broccoli.
Oh shit! BBRROOCOOLLII. They fucking spelled it right. Hell yeah!
All right, let's
What
bang
is
it
in
out.
this one? Oh my! Oh, this. I don't know if we can show this on camera. Yeah. Yo, somebody sent me a little miniature vase. I can put flowers in this. Thank you, guys. Yo! That is gas! Woo! Thank you for the miniature vase. I really appreciate
tobacco
that.
pipe.
No,
for
it's
tobacco.
a flower pot.
It's a flower. Go get a rose.
I'll have to test it out later with flowers.
That's amazing. Who sent it
Yo,
to?
who sent me this? This guy. I don't want to show his email, but whoever sent that, thank you. Everybody's waiting for the water test. Yo, we gotta hear the bubbles. We gotta hear the bubbles.
Oh shit.
Yo! Hi, Jimmy. Something for Steph. Hope it fits. Black Star. I think these are leggings, and I think Izzo should put them on right now.
Pineapple buns, dude.
Steph's gonna be wearing these at the drift events. Watch.
That's amazing. Black Star. Was it Black Star?
Black Star. It was from Black Star. I don't know who Black Star is.
That's at Black Star on Instagram. Thanks, man. That's gonna be stoked.
dope. Or it might be Black Star the band.
Supposed to be a fuel pump.
All right, we got a long note. Hey Jimmy, Jip, DrewTube, B-Hall, Jizzo, Steffi, and anyone else who's hanging out at the shop. I had to give up on my project car and was partying it out, and nobody wanted this fuel pump, which was really nice. A
really good
DW300, so I figured maybe y'all could use it for something. Hopefully it can feed a nice budget project for you. Thanks for everything. Dylan Brosius, pronounced Brosius, the third B.
Cool.
Dylan, thank you.
Yeah, we could
That's
always use fuel
awesome.
pumps.
I wonder,
300.
honestly, Dylan, we're gonna use this
Yeah, for sure.
at some point. I guarantee you that.
Oh, you know who needs it?
Who?
Steffi's Miata.
Steffi's Miata does need a fuel pump.
It's a stock fuel pump. It's gonna burn out eventually.
Yeah, and she doesn't have the funky setup like I
Cool.
do. So
Thanks, bud.
Damn it,
function.
Hear it. Put the mic.
Ready
up.
for the
I got
chopper,
the mic. I got
boys?
the mic. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Sheesh.
Yeah, she works.
She's singing.
Nope.
Oh,
Nope. Did you order this?
No, this is for, what is this? Oh my god.
Ah, it's an engine leveler. Somebody mentioned this on a video the other day about how Jimmy went to Harbor Freight, bought an engine hoist, and didn't buy a leveler. I've been telling Jimmy to buy a leveler for what, 2 years?
Every
longer?
time we do it, we say we wish it was a little bit later.
I mean, we get by. We do what we got to do.
Get him, John. Yeah, show him his balls.
Check it out. What do we got?
That's amazing. That's a good one too.
That's what it looks like. And you turn this little knob here, and it lets the thing tilt forwards and back. And it really makes it a lot easier to put an engine in a car. I promise you that.
Yeah, that's amazing actually. That's really cool. He goes, "Hi Jimmy, looks like you needed this a few days ago. Hope you get some good use of it. We will. Keep up the good work, Al Spearrock."
Al, thank you.
Al, you're the homie.
Spear Rock.
Tools are sick. That is awesome.
Yeah, like we
Yeah.
said a few days ago, we love tools. Tucker obviously loves tools too. And
Good shit.
we're
You
gonna
guys
get
are
plenty of use.
you guys are badass. You guys keep us hooked up.
Best
cool.
best subs for
Best
sure.
subs ever.
Best subs.
You guys kick ass. I can't thank you all enough. This is cool.
That's awesome. Great. Great day today. What are we gonna do next, Jimmy? You tuned a car.
So, spontaneous. Booked a trip today to hang out with LZ for a few days. So I'm actually going there Sunday to Thursday, which means that we need to hustle on the S14. So as you guys know, we've been turboing Josh's S14, getting it ready to drift for not this Saturday, but the following Saturday. And we're a little behind schedule. So we need to make it up for tonight and hopefully get that thing started tonight and maybe tune tomorrow. That's the goal. So we gotta go to B-Haul shop. It's kind of late and just grind. We get some Red Bulls. I'll grab my laptop and we'll get to work. All right, guys. So this thing it's almost done. Brian's going through and tightening up all the intercooler piping couplers, and 3/4 of the exhaust is on, and the gauges are like 95% wired. So it's close. Shut the vacuum lines and B, what is happening over here?
Oh, you got it now. I think
we're putting it in the right spot.
I'm in a real pain.
I can't.
It's a pain in the.
Yeah, in the Huazus.
All right, so I just installed the gauges. I know that's not really fun stuff. It's just a bunch of tedious wiring, and
see how they look.
And cool. We did get our MS2, our Mega Squirt ECU. Plugged her in, put a vacuum line to her, and it's ready to party. Haha, battery's dead as hell. Nice. Oh.
This is a starter.
Cool. All right, timing's off, but kind of started. So fuel pump is not turning on for some reason, so it's probably the relay. I just hardwired it. It worked. But usually when you get a weird starter kickback like that, timing's off.
Aha! Hey, look at that!
We got it.
It's running. Cool. I see this thing.
It's a very rattly car. Anything leaking? Is there anything leaking?
No, not that I see, honestly.
Alright.
We need a timing light. It is our lucky day because for some reason I had the timing light in my car. And I'm so happy because we gotta get the base timing right because the base timing is insanely important. And if you don't know what it is, you're just guessing in the dark. And Brian, what are you?
Hell yeah, dude. I'm stoked that you found that timing light.
Oh God, yes. So let's see how screwed up the base timing is and hope it runs better once we fix it.
It's a turbo.
Everyone has to go home. Josh has to work in the morning, and so does Brian. So the car literally died. The battery died with us trying to set base timing, which is the biggest slap in the face ever. So we're gonna come up with a jump pack today, tomorrow. So we have to come up with a jump pack tomorrow. Really unprepared for today, but I guess we made progress.
Yeah, I'll get a jump pack tomorrow.
Yeah, Bryce got the good jump pack. I don't know.
Actually made a ton of progress. Like, all this was kind of mocked up before. Now
Yeah, true. Everything's tightened down.
Buttoned up, and hopefully all of this shit works.
It's tomorrow. We'll figure it out. Just gotta get a battery that's charged so we can, do the whole thing. But I'm exhausted. Brian's exhausted, so we're gonna go home. We're gonna end it here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. And Brian,
Have a good night.
peace, y'all.